Hey guys, welcome back. It's that time of year again. The weather's starting to cool off a little bit, and whenever things get cold, they don't always work like they should. Big Chief here, my 97 XJ, the rear hatch lift struts, they're just not quite working whenever the weather's getting cold. I don't have him to help me hold it up all the time, so clearly we need to change them out. Super simple fix. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I've got my lift struts. I bought mine off Amazon. You can get them from your local parts supply store or any other online retailer that you choose. I've had good luck with Amazon parts here lately. I prefer to buy things from Amazon when I can. But whenever you get them, you want to take a look and make sure they look similar to what's on the vehicle. Looking at mine, you've got your swivelly head top piece and then the clippy end on the bottom. You've got your swivelly end that goes up top. 2 holes. You've got your lower end with a little clippy bit on the back of it. And to change this out, literally all you need is a ratchet with the right size socket on the end of it. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and use the electric ratchet impact gun, electric ratchet impact gun, electric gun from impacting ratchets. Anyway, I've got the electric one and a small screwdriver. Literally takes next to no time whatsoever. You either need to get a broom handle, some sort of stick, something to hold the thing up. I've got my son just out of frame here. He's keeping it from bonking me in the head. So hopefully he can hold like this for at least a minute, because that's about all longer it takes to do this. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, so here you are looking at the top of the strut. You wanna bring that down just a little bit so you can line into it. Keep in mind, even if your lift struts are bad, whenever you take one off, you just lost half your lifting power, so the other side just got super heavy. And on the lower end of the strut, you take your screwdriver, put it in the small gap right there, give a little twist, bring that metal bracket out, and the whole thing comes right off. It's as easy as that. And to reinstall, you simply take your open end, put it over the ball mount, give a little pressure, it snaps right on. For the top mount, you take your 2 bolts, you lift it up high enough that you can get these 2 bolts started by hand. When you got them started by hand, you take your impact and kind of just and that's it. 2 bolts on top, 1 clip on the bottom. You do the same thing on both sides, and your hatch stays up on its own. Hopefully you guys have learned a little something today. Trying to keep it simple. Simple for some people isn't simple for everybody. Somebody's never done this before. A little bit of help goes a long way. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Till then, I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching.